Oh, welcome back to the channel, guys. We're here on a lovely Saturday afternoon, having a little look for some places, and we stumbled across this. We just wanted to sort of show you guys what we found. Not a bad little place, isn't it, mate? It sounds like running water. Oh wow, this is the kitchen. Yeah, there's water running down there. I don't know where the main... Oh, it's right, good me. Ah, pipe burst. Down there. Someone ripped the pipe out. Hold on a minute. Not able to... No, but can you stop the water running out of there? Can't. Oh well, at least we tried. Okay. Wow. Look at this. Looks like everyone's been through it. Look, all the electronic stuff. All the electricals. All the front saws been taken off where they're all smashed up. The old sockets. Wow, it's such a shame how this has been left like this.
What's that on that device?
Looks like a light.
No, the other one.
Don't know. Don't have a clue. Is that a fireplace? There isn't there. Nice though. Not the bird, the fireplace obviously. So much room. Look at these the toilet's smashed unfortunately. But this was what would have been the front door. And the living room. And you got another fireplace down there as well.
Exactly the same, isn't it?
Yeah, pretty much. This one's just a bit smaller. Look at all the mould and that all up there. I like them stairs though. Quite nice, isn't they, the stairs?
Yeah, yeah.
I think it must be like another sitting room. Oh wow, it's still got like some of the curtains hanging out. And we've got some of the furniture as well. Wow. That is crazy. Look at that bear. It's quite a big bay window as well, isn't it, when you look at it?
There's no beauty under the bay windows.
I do as well, especially I'm liking all the decay of it at the moment. It's really rotten through though from what I can see. Here's that bear, look at that. Bear's just sitting there chilling on the chair. The curtains that went all the way round. Wow. Such a shame places like this have just been left. And we'll go and look upstairs. Fingers crossed. They seem pretty sound, pretty sturdy. Not enough a bathroom in here though. At least this one hasn't been smashed up. That one hasn't been smashed up thankfully, but yeah they have. They've obviously been trying to get all the...
And that copper there.
Yeah, been getting all the copper and the cabling and that.
God, if someone up here with the copper, I'd be on it.
Oh no. This one obviously had the airing cupboard in here. Such a shame. That's been left where it has. Step across these joists. Be careful with the nails, right?
Oh god, yeah.
Facing down. Still.
It's weird how like the curtains are like,
Look, this one's smashed up. You want the curtains or what?
like just how the curtains are there.
Yeah. This is a problem, man. People come in and they just nick everything.
I think it's acceptable, don't they?
Nicking all the copper and all the electrical cable. Just I don't see the point of it. There's part of a bed left here.
Part of it.
Well, 2 parts.
Like a divan.
Wow.
There is some garages outside.
Yeah, we're going to have a venture outside, show you out there. From there. Yeah, shut the door. So the door's been booted in. There is a camera up in the corner there.
I can't shut the doors.
Yeah.
I'll shut it as much as I can.
But I don't know how that camera works because I didn't see any internet in there. So
There was, but there's things, boxes have been ripped out, so.
I can't imagine that's actually got a live feed going anywhere. Come through this garden. Just be careful of all the stingers. Oh, cool. We'll come back to the garage in a minute. And this is the garden. So this is the kitchen bit. This is obviously where the kitchen was. Really nice. Nice little house that's just sat out here, isn't it? Such a shame though, for it to be left the way it has. This looks like a little outhousey barn thing, doesn't it? Oh wow. It's pretty cool. Got some stuff in there still. Foosball table.
Oh, good tiger.
Hate it. This is what I hate. Look, people graffitiing and that.
No need for it at all.
Wow.
Oh, look at these, they're like. It's really pretty.
A Christmas decoration, aren't they?
I don't know.
There's a stuffed toy there.
Tiger.
They must have had, this must have been for sheep, look, it's like a trough of some sort. Maybe horses.
Oh, bad.
Well look, you've got the bit up here as well, at the top, which makes me think it's probably for horses. Definitely Christmas decorations, there's all baubles down there. Yeah.
One there's it's welcome light, but they're not welcome lights, are they?
Yeah, look at that. It's pretty cool. Wish you could have done this as a live. And yeah,
In the light?
as a live.
Oh, as a light, yeah, I know.
Yeah.
It's a bloody signal.
This is the problem, these places are out in the sticks and you just don't get enough signal to do lives. Got in here. Oh wow. Liking that. What that? So obviously I get there's a fire there.
God.
I don't get what this would have been used for.
Well,
If anyone knows, let us know
that's a
what that would have been used for. Because
a well?
no, but look, it's like you would have a fire at the bottom there.
I don't know. Alright,
What's
I've got
that?
pictures, like a music picture of that.
Music note, yeah.
And then there's a picture in there, I'm not sure I really want to touch it.
Look at them chains and the locks.
No, they're cool, aren't they?
That bath. People pay tons of money for a standalone bath like that.
If I had a massive garden, I'd put it in my garden.
Fill it with flowers.
Yeah.
And these old style tables, that's like an old farmer's table that you'd see in the kitchen, isn't it?
Yeah.
Where everyone would sit down and eat.
But there's storage still as well.
Yeah, I know, don't touch that cylinder. I have
Why?
a feeling this would be like asbestos or something like that.
Oh, really?
Probably, yeah. But Yeah, you got the old butler sink out here. Very nice. Yeah.
Oh, I want one of them as well for our garden.
No. Wow, that's pretty cool. Short little video.
Garage.
Yes guys, we're going to do the garage now, which I forgot about. Again, our garage. Someone's obviously had a fire here, look. Is there anything in there? Anything?
Put the camera in.
No?
Put the camera in and show it.
Alright, let's have a look in there. Like Megan said, there isn't much in there. I think we'll sort of knock that on the head, I think, wouldn't you?
Yeah.
But we hope you enjoyed that. Tiny little explore. Wanted to do it live, couldn't.
Can't do it live. Bloody signal again.
So we do is, for instance, I would chuck this on one day in the week.
Chuck it on.
Chuck it on. You know, like these little explores. I mean, hopefully we'll find more today. But
We're on a mission, aren't we?
we are on a mission. We got one day a week we get to do this. But we are literally checking everywhere out.
Actually, twice a month.
Yeah, about twice a month.
Twice a month.
We get to come exploring.
So, making it worth our while.
We are.
And it's starting to rain, so on that note, we are...
We're out of here, but you happy?
I'm happy.
Are you guys happy? See you on the next one. Bye.